Hello, my name is Ashley. Today I'm going to make something little original, cute, which I have some fan palm trees. I'm going to make it what it was very big, long. I don't know if you've seen it. I'm sure you did. It was something long like this. This is the bottom part that I cut them so I can do new something beautiful, original flower. Very simple and very beautiful. So what we're gonna need, I'm gonna do with some flowers over here that you see them. So I'm gonna make a little cute flower arrangement. What you need, because the flowers, they are very thick and they will absorb a lot of water, make sure that you put in a deep dish. So I cut them like a little bigger, medium, and a small. 3. So what I have to do is, I'm gonna, the sponge, you have to wet them, put a little tape so they won't move. But even though if it does, you don't have to, because it's the plate is pretty deep. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna put actually in an angle, like this way. The higher part is up, and then the other one is down. And then we're gonna put this, like this, in an angle. It's gonna be like a fan. The way the fan it works. And this one, it's gonna go right here. Let me see. I put it a little bit. Yes, just like this. And this one we're gonna turn it, and I think we're gonna put this a little bit higher. There you go. And in case if it doesn't hold or anything, just put another tape, and the tape will hold it for you. There you go. So here's now that you see, just like a fan, it turns. So what we have to do is, I have a lot of over here. Let me bring them here, which I've done other arrangement with those beautiful flowers. Each flower, it's gonna be, I think we have to put from the longest. I think what I have to do is, I'm gonna cut new one, a long one. Let's take a couple of the leaves out, and we're gonna do this. I'm gonna cut just small pieces more. It's a little bit too long. There you go. Just like so. Then we're gonna make another one. Let's see, this is a little bit taller. This is gonna be very, very simple and kind of unique, beautiful flower. Now we need, I think, with the little one here. Let me see. I think I need a little bit bigger. It will look fuller here. There you go. And this one, we're gonna cut it a little bit thinner, the ends. Let's cut it this way. There we go. And this one, it's gonna go right here. We need a shorter one, nice and fat. Here we are. This is very simple and beautiful, original. Now when you find any palm tree leaves like this way, you can cut it, you can bring it home. I think this one is a little too long. I'm going to cut much more shorter. And let's turn the fan more this way. I have the tapes, it's holding it. There we go. And this fan, I think I need a little tape over here to hold. Just make sure that you put tape, so what it does, it kind of helps for you holding the flowers and holding them tight. And now we're going to put this, go in, that's beautiful. And then we're going to add this one, this little one. We have to make it shorter and go into the sponge. Remember that the flowers are pretty thick, they are, so you have to make sure that to know that they won't join together, so otherwise they will take the space. Now with this, like I always say, even like this, it's beautiful. I want to maybe put little baby bread in it. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this channel. I want to thank to all my patrons on patreon.com for their support to make my channel possible. Thank you.